Good morning student. I'm going to tell you today about diary entry. So first of all, what is a diary entry? Okay, diary entry, children, diary entry is a very personal form of writing. It is a record of it is a record with discrete entries arranged by date, reporting on what has happened over the course of a day or some other period of time. While writing a diary, following points should be kept in mind. So children, diary is the most personal thing to be explained, and children, you can express any type of feeling in the diary entry. Okay, and there is a particular format. When you will write the diary entry in the examination, you have to follow the particular format in the examination. Otherwise, children, your diary entry will be wrong. So first of all, children, the first point, the first characteristic of diary entry is that you have to write about day, date and time. Okay, so first thing what you have to see, you have to see day, date and time of the entry. Children, whenever something very important or interesting things are there in your life, please mention all these things if you are maintaining a diary, like your birthday party or you got good marks in the examination. Sometimes you can also enter negative feelings. Suppose your mother have scolded in front of anybody, so how you have felt at that time, or your teacher have scolded in front of the whole class, how you must have felt at that time. So children, both your positive and negative feelings you can write in the diary. And the diary, children, you can share everything in the diary. So write a diary when something interesting takes place, or when you're very sad or angry, you can express your feeling. You can use your diary to express your thoughts, feelings, desire, fears, joy. Now children, you can express your thoughts in the diary, you can express your feelings in the diary, you can express your desires in the diary, you can express your fears in the diary and joys in the diary. Language need not to be very formal. It should be a simple language expressing your thoughts. Children, there is no hi-fi ornamental language should be there. Simple language. Express your thoughts in a simple language, in a simple and brief sentence with a lucid thoughts. And of course, children, any type of feeling you can express in your diary. Remember, generally diary, people write diary in the past tense, and small, we never write small I. Okay, because you are the narrator here, you have to express your own feeling, so write I with the capital letter. Now be truthful and honest to your diary. Okay, whatever you are writing, don't write any false thing, any news which is not correct, okay, or any feeling which is not good. Okay, so generally diary writing is that part of children writing where we have to be very truthful and very honest, just like report writing. We cannot write false news in the report writing. Okay, now children, there is a format for diary entry, and I hope children, whenever you write a diary entry, you have to follow that format. Okay, so the format is there: day and date and time, like Monday 14, then December 14 December. Okay, so you have to write day and date. Monday 14 December. You see, you children, you have to write December with the whole DECEMBER small comma 2020, and time generally 9 p.m. Generally diary is written at night, so time you have written here is 9 p.m. and Monday 14th December. Okay, remember children, you have to write the full name of the month. You cannot write December or OCT for October or NOV for November. You have to write everything full. Okay, so whenever you write a diary, try to write in the past tense. And then now children, I'm going to give you some diary. Okay, and diary writing is a very personal thing. You have to be very honest. Diary writing generally is written in the night. Now children, I will be telling you something about the diary, that how you write a diary. Now, you celebrated your 16th birthday on a grand scale. So children, if diary entry, 3 or 4 types of diary entry I will be discussing with you. Okay. And nowadays children, a pattern was there, like people write dear diary. You don't have to write. In CBSE examination we don't use that pattern, like good night or dear diary. Don't use all this word. Remember that nowadays in the books also it is written dear diary. No, you will never write all this word. You will never even write good night and thank you, because you are expressing your thought. You are expressing your thoughts. Why should you write dear diary? Now children, you celebrated your 16th birthday on a grand scale. All your near and dear ones were present. Now children, a question is there, how you have to attempt that question I am telling, related with diary entry. You celebrated your 16th birthday on a grand scale. All your near and dear ones were present. Write a diary entry to express your feeling. Now here children, you have to, whenever you write a diary, you have to read the question very carefully, and you have to see what has been asked. The next thing, you have to write the diary in the past tense. Okay, and you have to follow the format of the diary. So day and date. Okay, you have to write the day and date. You can write any day, Saturday or Monday, Tuesday. A small comma should be there. Then you have to write the date, 14th December 2020. Okay, diary time is always written at the right hand side, and generally time is written in PM. This you have to remember. You can start from 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. because children, diary is a thing you only have to write when you are totally free. Then only you will write diary when you are free. So I'm so happy today that I have no. So children, how you will start? You will write the day, Monday, small comma. You can write 14th December, small comma, 2020, and then at the right side you will write 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. and then children, you will start your diary with I capital. I'm so happy today that I have no words to express my feeling on the occasion of my 16th birthday. Okay, we arranged for a function in this hotel Mount View. I was so excited. All my friends and relatives were there. My colleagues also came. I also called my class teacher, which really we all were happy. Everyone had bought a present for me. All the guests had a wonderful time. They would not stop dancing. We played a lot of games there in the party. My parents were happy to receive guests and were having a gala time. The dinner was delicious and to everybody's taste. People relished the food. Oh, what a nice day. I thank my parents for the joyful evening. So children, you can see in short everything is being discussed here. Okay, in a very short period everything is very discussed here. Now then children, one this type of question is there. You went to see the India International Trade Fair held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, using the hints given below. In some of the diary, like here, hints are there. Okay, so hint is IITF held at Pragati Maidan, then dash all leading countries participated, dash Chinese dominated the show, dash all states separate pavilion, all state of India, Kashmir and Goa drew maximum crowd. Cultural program, food courts, from paint to luxury coaches, a high price damped the spirit. So children, you went to see, now you have to read the question once again. You went to see the India International Trade Fair held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Using the hint given below together with your ideas on the subject, make a diary entry of what you saw and experienced there. So what you will write, how you will start your diary. You have to take the hint. Now children, one thing I would like to tell you here, if hints are given or a picture are there, you don't have to follow everything. You have to you don't have to take ideas from that hint also. You have to, student, you have to use your own ideas. So you have to write the format now, day, date and time in PM, and then you can write, I have always been excited to visit International Trade Fair. 4 of my close friends accompanied there. It was a different world over there, a fairyland to be precise. The pavilion of Germany, Canada, the USA, China and Great Britain attracted a large crowd. India was a representative by almost all state and establishment like the Indian Railway, Indian Tourism, LIC, Tata's, what and what not. Well, nice, delicious food course served all days from pizzas to chole bhature. We bought pair of shoes, mobiles and garments. The fair provided opportunity for a lot of fun and entertainment. Film shows, folk dances, cultural program, puppet shows drew huge crowd. Anyway, it was a very pleasant and rewarding experience. So student, you can see that how a child has gone to the International Trade Fair, okay, and what he has done. See here, he has taken the hint also and he has used his own idea also, okay. So now one such question is there. It was the happiest day of your life when the principal of your school informed you and your parents that you topped the list of successful candidates. What a happy thing. Is your zone. In your zone. Then started the endless ringing of telephone bells. Congratulatory masses started pouring in from friends and relatives. That means you topped the whole zone and now you are getting from everyone is sharing the children, they are ringing the telephone. Congratulatory messages has starting pouring from friends and relatives. All the neighbors came to congratulate you on your grand success. At the end of the day, you were so much overwhelmed by happiness and excitement that you made a diary entry of the sequence of events on that fateful day. Reproduce that entry here in about 100 to 120 words, inventing your own detail. Now children, one thing is there, diary entry also has word limit. Generally it is of 120 words. So, but then you have to see how many word limit you are getting in the examination. You have to write according to that. Okay. So how will you start? Now this is the most happiest moment of your life. Alright. So once again you have to follow the format of the diary and you can start like that. Life is full of surprises. With a nice word you start your diary. I could not sleep the previous night. The next morning the result of the board were to be announced. Then suddenly at 9 a.m. we heard a telephone ring. I ran to receive it. My principal was on the line. Congratulations, my boy, you have topped the list of successful candidates in the Varanasi zone. We are proud of you. He also congratulated my parents. I was not able to believe my ears. Okay. In fact, I was scared when I heard the voice of my principal. But then I was so happy that I just thanked him. Most hesitatingly, I just thanked him and then started the non-stop congratulatory messages from my teachers, classmates, friends and relatives. My parents were busy in distributing laddus. I felt like a celebrity. I felt very happy at that day and a celebrity I was, of course. 2 correspondents of leading news channels came to interview me. I only felt that nothing succeeds like success and thanked my teachers and my stars. So children, you can see, okay. Now these are some of the diary, children, which is capturing the happiest moment of your life. All good things, isn't it? Now I would like to say something about that diary where you have some horror, some awful moments in your life. So one question is there. You are Naveen and or Navya of B10 Sector 16 Noida. Last night you had horrible dream. Now last night you had a very horrible dream. Taking help from the input given below, make a diary entry, a horrible dream that I had last night. So now children, some of the things is given in the input. What is the input? Children, input is a box where hints will be given or some points will be in there. By taking the help of that points, you will be able to complete your work. So let me tell you what is written in the input. The dream I had last night might never come true. First day in the examination, a very worried and confused. Paper very difficult, memories fail me. Could not have right answer in mind. Similar experience in other paper. Result out. Faced a lot of humiliation and embarrassment. Opened my eyes. It was mere dream. God forbid it may ever come true. So children, a horrible dream. The child has dreamed a very horrible dream. Okay, he's not able to sleep. All right, and so student, you can see you are Naveen or Navya. Okay, and the name is given, and you can also see that children, a bad dream he is having. He is having a very difficult time. He could not digest that he has failed in the examination, and he is feeling very humiliation and embarrassment. So children, diary doesn't mean you should only share your happiest moment. You have to share your sad moment or horrible moments also, like in this question. So again children, the same format should be followed here. Day and date and time, the same format should be written, and then you can start your diary with your own feeling. Children, write it in a simple sentence. People say that sometimes dreams do come true. God forbid it. Now children, here he is starting in a very nice manner that people say dreams come true, but God forbid it. I shudder to think what happened if the dream that I had last night come true. Now he's telling, he's sharing his view. I will definitely not like if my dream of last night will come true. It was really a bad or a horrible dream. I was appearing in the board examination. Now in the second paragraph, you have to share your dream. So what dream he is sharing? I was appearing in the board examination. It was the first day of the examination. So he has to appear in the board examination. It was the first day of the examination. I had the question paper in my hand. So he's telling he had the question paper in the hand, but I was highly worried, confused and irritated. It was rather a difficult moment. It was rather a difficult paper. My memory simply failed. The right answer would not come to my mind. When I left the examination hall, I was really dejected and disillusioned. Now children, he is sharing his feelings. See how nicely this feeling is shared by him. He is telling, when I left the examination hall, I was really dejected and disillusioned. The same thing was repeated in other paper also. And when next day was the examination, the same feeling he was having. He had done his paper very badly. Then I dreamed that the result were out. Not only children, he had done his paper badly, but a dream he had a phase in which he saw that the results were out also. My name was not in the list of the successful candidate. And more worst thing was that what he is sharing, that his name was not there in the list of successful candidates. I cried and tears came into my eyes. So he is crying and he is telling tears came into his eyes. It looked as if my academic career was over. He felt as if his academic career was over. Certainly all my dreams and hopes ended in smoke. My dreams were shattered. I dreamed that my classmate, teacher and neighbors were trying to console me. Some were laughing at me, some were consoling me. The teachers, they really were feeling sad because of my result. Oh God, what a humiliating and embarrassing situation I faced in that dream. Now, it was really a bad dream. When my mother came and she woke me up in the morning, I realized that it was just a bad dream. Life was as sweet and exciting now as it was there before going to bed last night. Okay, So children, he is feeling the same dream, the same, he felt that life is like that before. Okay, so you can see children, not only good experience you share, he has shared, this child has shared his dreams and how badly he feels that, or he has failed badly in the examination. Well, one more diary related with unpleasant situation. You are Rohan or Rima of Tagore Garden, New Delhi. You and your family had to face some unpleasant experience when as uninvited guests overstayed with you recently. Nice topic. One guest was there, he was uninvited and he is staying in the family. He came deliberately to overstay with the family. Taking help from the information given in the input below, make a diary entry in 100 to 120 words describing your experience. So children, this is something new, that a person is there, he came to your house and he is deliberately, he want to stay in your house. Okay, he is coming purposely to your house. Now what happened? Now children, let me read the input first. Guests are always welcome, but only for a short period of time when a person is very busy. Uninvited guests create problems and inconvenience. Rohan, a distant relative of my mother, stormed into the house uninvited, no news, created a lot of inconvenience, accommodated in a separate room, sets of new clothes, towels, cosmetics, strictly vegetarian, did not allow meat and fish in the kitchen, witty and humorous, sang folk song but ultimately a nuisance, did not think of leaving. Unfortunately, his son came there to take him. We were relieved of an unwanted burden. So children, nice thing. This is sometimes children, this is also a surprise thing happening in the house. Somebody will come deliberately staying in the house. You cannot kick them, you cannot say anything to them, they become burden. Like this happened in this family. So now you have to write the diary. How you are going to write it? Well children, you have to write the day, date and time. So you will write day Monday, date 14th December, the small comma 2020, and time you can write either 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. You can write it. Now I am going to start reading. I have written this diary in my notebook and I am going to share with you. It is true that cats are like gods and they should be respected. Okay, and in our India, in our country, we have this, we always keep on hearing Atithi Devbhav. But experience of the people tell different stories. Now children, he is telling, but today he had experienced some different thing. Okay, there can't be a bigger nuisance in the house when an uninvited and unwanted guest has to be entertained. Now he's telling, he felt something very bad because he had to entertain an uninvited and unwanted guest, and that was the time of his examination. The situation became all the more unbearable when such a guest overstayed, threatening the peace and privacy of the family. Rohan, a distant relative of my mother, stormed into our house uninvited. Actually, we were not prepared to entertain him at that point of time. Anyway, I had to leave my room for him. A new blanket, a set of clothes, a towel, a pair of shoes and cosmetics were arranged for his comfortable stay, and he was staying comfortably there without any thought, without any thinking that how much problem we are facing. He was a strict vegetarian and a very religious minded person. So my mother cannot cook our favorite food, that is all the non-vegetarian items. He could not, as he could not tolerate meat and eggs in the kitchen. He would taste the patience of our ears by singing hymns in his loudest voice in the morning. That's give you even to the devil. He was very witty and full of joke. One thing was good about him, that he was very humorous, he was very witty, and he always used to tell joke. But that also was not admirable at the time of my study. Even when I used to study, he used to tell different type of jokes. Let's give due even to the for his overstay. The peace and privacy of the family totally disappeared, but people say everything has an end. And one day, Rohan, we have to call his son. His son came to him and he forced him to take to the village. He was forced to go to the village of one of my. His son came and he took him away. And why his son came? Because they were the one who begged him to come and take away his father. So his son Rohan came to him and took him to the native village. We felt relieved and liberated after seeing him off at the station. Now, children, he did not see from his home. I had to go to the station to see him off, so that his mind will not change and he will not come from the station to our house once. So, children, such was the situation. He has to go to his friend house to bring him back. Okay. So, God forbid, such type of guest should not come to our house. All right. So, you can see, children. Then, children, you can write any unpleasant situation like children. Okay. Some accident you can share in the diary, any mishappening, or children, any camp you have gone to, blood donation camp or any camp where you have been. Okay, this also you can share. Now, then children, suppose any mishappening has happened with you. Okay, you fell ill, or some robbers surrounded you when you were returning home from your annual function. You were returning from school to your house, and two thieves came and they snatched your mobile. All right, so all this was there. Now you have to see. So you can see, children, when such situation will come, you have to deal such type of situation. Okay, what you have to say? You have to say that I was shocked. Yeah, it was really a unpleasant surprise for me when I was coming from the school and I suddenly felt something touched my shoulder. When I looked back, I saw two men. They were holding the gun towards me. I was shocked. In fact, I started shivering, but I did not show as if I was very much scared. And then they told me to hand them over my mobile. I did not want to give, but then they told that if you will not give the mobile, I will shoot you. Now, children, you have to write the feeling which you have experienced at that particular moment. Okay, like you must be shivering, your heart is started beating fast, sweat is started coming on your face. So such type of feeling you have to share. Okay, you started looking here and there so that you can call anybody from help. You can also, children, give a turning point to it. Suddenly you saw a policeman and you started shouting help, help. Or you can also, children, say that you started calling help, help to them, and they felt as if somebody is coming towards you to save you, and he ran away from there. So if you want to end your diary in positive manner, you can use such points, such type of things. You can write it in your diary. But children, here I want to say that what feeling you had when they were holding gun towards you. Perspiration, your sweat started coming, you started trembling, you started shivering, your voice was not coming from your mouth so that you can share your feeling. So children, such type of things, children, when you will share, okay, then everything will be, then you can show, and then you can say my mobile was, they have taken my mobile, I was not having any money in my pocket, I could not even call my parents. Then you can, children, further add, then suddenly I saw one man was coming from bike, I showed my hand to him, I told all the situation, he gave me a lift. Okay, he comforted me, he was a middle-aged person, he comforted me. And finally what happened, he took to my house, and then he told everything to the parents. My parents comforted me, and finally, children, everything was okay. And so in this manner you can share everything, children, what you have experienced from that moment of your life. So your diary can be full of the happiest moment and full of the sad moment. With this, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.